healthcare and equality, there is a question: inadequate healthcare available to all? The answer is adequate healthcare is not available to all because private facilities are increasing but the public services are not. Private services are concentrated in urban areas and are costly. Poor have to go to public services which are crowded. They have to borrow money in case of an illness in the family. Sometimes wrong practices are encouraged to earn more money, like prescribing unnecessary medicines or tests. Only about 20% can afford all the medicines required and more than 40% have to borrow money. In case of women and tribal areas, the health concerns are ignored. Students, to the poor family, every illness is a cause of great anxiety and distress. In poor families, this situation tends to happen again and again. The poor are generally undernourished. These families are not eating as much as they should. They are not provided basic necessities like drinking water, adequate housing, clean surroundings. So they are more likely to fall ill. The cost for their treatment are also make their condition even worse. Sometimes money is not the problem for getting proper medical treatment. Women are not taken to a doctor in a prompt manner. Their health concerns are considered to be less important than the health of men and in the family. Many tribal areas have few health centers and they do not run properly. Even private health services are not available to the tribals. So what can be done? We have to remove inequality in healthcare services by providing them equal health services. It is the responsibility of the government to provide quality healthcare services to all the citizens, especially the poor and the disadvantaged. Health is depend on basic amenities and social conditions of the people. Hence, it is important to improve the health conditions of our people, and this can be done. Now, let's read about the Kerala experience. In 1996, the Kerala government made some major changes in the state. The 40% of the entire state budget was given to Panchayat to plan and provide for their requirements, they made possible for a village to make proper planning for water, food, women's development and education. So as a result, water supply schemes were checked, the working of schools and Anganwadis was ensured, and the specific problems of the villages were taken up. Health centers were also improved. All of these helped to improve the situation. Despite these efforts, some problems like shortages of medicines, insufficient hospital beds, insufficient doctors remained, and these need to be addressed. Now let's see another example of the Costa Rican approach. It is one of the healthiest countries in South America because this is found in Costa Rican Constitution. Costa Rica took a very important decision not to have an army. It helped the Costa Rican government to spend the additional money on health, education and the other basic needs of the people. This government believes that a country has to be healthy for its development. it pay a lot of attention to the health of its people. The Costa Rican government provides basic services and amenities to all its people. It provides safe drinking water, sanitation, nutrition and housing. Health education is also considered very important, and knowledge about health is an essential part of education at all levels. Students, now here are some questions. You have to write all answers in your homework copy, and also you have to write all exercise questions in your homework copy. Okay, that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.